Hi, my name is Paloma and I'm enrolled in the Aesthetics program here at New Age Spa Institute. The reason why I chose New Age Spa Institute was because when I came to tour the school, I was really impressed with the professional environment that I would be surrounded in, as well as finding out all of the amazing advanced education that I would be receiving here as well. Usually a typical day here, it's really fun, honestly, with the relationships that we've built with each other, classmates, and the teachers, along with learning new topics every day, usually followed by a demonstration, and we get to practice hands-on with each other as well. So here at New Age Spa, I feel that our educators have definitely provided us with so much knowledge and education, along with all the experience that they have, and they are very open to showing us tips and tricks to enter the beauty world in the outside world once we graduate.